Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the door plunger latch on your LG washer. Now, removing and reinstalling is actually pretty easy. You only need a couple basic hand tools. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Main reason you'll have to be doing this is this little plunger has a spring behind it. Over time, that spring may break and it'll just go in and stay stuck in. So in that case, you have no choice but to replace it. So your magnetic plunger is basically this spring and this piece of plastic. And it has these little finger latches that just go in and expand when you push it into place. Now, some technicians will show you that you can remove this simply by inserting a thin screwdriver in here, and you're basically going to be sliding it in and releasing this catch. And then you can pull it out and then pop your new one. And you can do that. That works fine. The only thing is you'll find you wind up chewing the plastic up pretty bad all around here. So if the look isn't of importance to you, then you can do that. Myself, I prefer not to damage your washer or mark it up in any way. So I take the time and I remove all the screws so I can snap this cover off and then just pop it out. So that's the way we're going to do it today. So to do this, we're going to wind up removing all the screws around the perimeter. Or at the same time, if we wanted to take the door right off, we can easily do that as well. So now with this piece removed, we can see the retainers for the hinge. So I'm just going to remove this one, and this one, leaving the top one in place. So having released those, they'll now come out of position and allow us to slip those off, and we can basically lift the door off the hinge, and we can set the door down on something soft. So now I'll just take away most of these screws. And then I'll just lift up on the cover, and that gives me enough play now to be able to take my screwdriver, and you can see where the lock is here for the plunger. Just going to put a little screwdriver in there, that right out of position, and it comes right out. So it's just that easy to remove the magnetic latch from your LG washer. So to install our new one, we're just going to put our spring into position, drop it down, and we want to make sure we have this lock ready to line up. So once it's pushed down into place, nice and free, now we're just going to snap our cover back down into position. Put our screws back in. So now we can get ready to mount our door back onto the washer. So now we're just going to bring our door up, and we left this one plastic hinge in position. So I'm just going to line it up and lower it onto the pin of the hinge, so that'll hold the door. So now I'll bring in the other pieces. And I'll start at the top first, slipping it onto the pin and putting it into place. And this one, and this one. Great. So with those now in place, we just have to put our other cover back on and secure it. Put our screws in. And there we go. It's just that easy to install a new magnetic latch on your LG washer.